Governor, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you. How you doing?
Dave Hunter. Nice to see you. I don't know if you'll recall, but we had dinner with you and your wife when you were mayor. So it's good to see you back as the
I don't recall. When was that?
This was the leadership class. Colorado CU's leadership class. I think it was called the presidential leadership
Oh, yes,
class.
yes,
It was
yes.
down in downtown.
I remember
down
that.
real close to your old business
Yeah,
operations.
near close to Wanko.
That's right. That's right. So welcome. So why don't you come on in, and I'd like to introduce you to our employees.
Okay.
And, first of all, let me introduce you to Collis Woodward.
Hi.
Collis is our CFO. Doug Meek is our head of field operations.
How are you?
He's the guy that goes out and installs all these things that we've got.
So is this guy.
And this guy too. This is Phil Meyer. And is Randy around? Is he coming? I suppose. Billy Joe, have you met the governor? Billy Joe is, she is our jack of all trades. She does everything that we need to have done. She has it taken care of, including a lot of the logistics around your visit, so that's good.
She was very helpful.
No, that's what she does.
I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come
Sure.
learn about best irrigation in the world.
That's what I like to hear.
Governor, this is Randy Durbin. Randy's the head of our production.
Nice to meet you.
And he's going to be doing a tour for you in a little bit here, and then you'll get to see what he really does for a living.
Cool.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
What we were thinking is that we'd like to show you who we are and what we do with a little real quick PowerPoint presentation.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Sure. No, I'm all ears.
The interesting thing about this, since you irrigate from the roots up as opposed from the top down, the water, the fertilizer, other chemicals that you have to put through the system all get to the roots rather than getting distributed to the atmosphere or runoff into watersheds and things like that if you're watering from above. The other interesting thing about it is that if you irrigate from the roots up, you're also putting water and oxygen at the roots. Therefore, the need for aerification almost goes away. You know, it really truly is, and it's addressing an unmet need as far as I can tell. We all believe that this is an important product whose time has come. So
That's it. So let's do it.
let's do it.
This is when these plants are sitting on it, you can see it presses down in the water, and the water comes back up around the whole area in the pots. So instead of spraying plants from the top, and somebody physically doing that all the time, you can just run this in 15-minute cycles 3-4 times a day in the summertime, and soak geotextile, and then the plants will absorb. And you can put a drip system here that'll catch your used water, unused water, run it back through the pump, put it back through again. And you don't have hoses on the ground. We'll come back and check this out, but when we come back there, the water should move up through this cup here of soil. And we'll see where it's at by the time we get here.
This tape on top here, this what we call a dispersion layer. The emitters underneath the tube emit up toward that. That just forces the water into the geofiber. This stuff on the back in here, this tape on the back, keeps the water from immediately going down through the soil.
And originally, their design was sewn. They were sewing all this, and now we're laminating it.
You show it.
So I can run it real quick. It'll be a little bit noisy because it's the tape coming off here. But I can run it to start it real quick. So this pool's about 650 feet.
Pretty cool.
Well, thanks so much. I appreciate your stop by.
Thanks a lot. Good luck.
So thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good trip down.